Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up and use QuickBooks Workforce. First, understand that QuickBooks Workforce is a complimentary online portal designed to give your employees easy access to their payroll details. To begin, you, as the administrator, will need to activate Workforce directly within your existing QuickBooks Payroll account. Whether you use QuickBooks Online Payroll or QuickBooks Desktop Payroll, this initial step is crucial. Always ensure your QuickBooks software is running its most current version to avoid any setup issues. Once Workforce is activated, the next step is to invite your employees. Navigate to the Payroll or Employee Center within your QuickBooks account. Here, you will add or verify each employee's email address. Then, from the Manage Payroll Cloud Services window, you can send individual invitations. Each employee will receive an email containing a secure link, prompting them to create their own Intuit Workforce account and set up their login credentials. After accepting the invitation, your employees gain immediate access to their personal payroll information. They can securely view and print their pay stubs, W-2 forms, and other essential tax documents at any time. This self-service portal is accessible 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, from any computer or mobile device. The dedicated QuickBooks Workforce mobile app further enhances convenience, allowing for easy time tracking and instant access to pay details on the go. QuickBooks Workforce significantly streamlines payroll management for your business. By empowering employees with self-service access, it reduces administrative inquiries by dozens of hours annually. The platform integrates seamlessly with your existing QuickBooks payroll, ensuring all data, from paychecks to W-2 forms, is automatically synchronized. Additionally, if you use QuickBooks Time, employees can track their hours, manage schedules, and even request paid time off directly through the Workforce app, boosting overall efficiency.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.